Hello, this is Almir. It's Geek Time again. Time for Commuting with a Software Engineer episode. Today's topic is going to be basically being a software engineer in a family, being a tech guy in a family. What is expected from you? A lot of times, if you're a tech guy, family members or friends probably have approached you. Oh, you're a software engineer. Can you fix my computer? Or you're a software engineer. Can you fix my TV or something like that? Or my computer is not working. Can you tell me what's going on? This is where I explain to people that software engineering is pretty broad field. And helping or fixing computers, yes, software engineers have knowledge and understanding in setting up their PC or their MacBook, but it's not a skill that they necessarily have to perfect as much as they perfect the skill of coding and delivering software to production. So there's a difference between being a good technician or a help desk specialist and being a software engineer. Yes, at home you're capable of setting up your wireless network. You're capable of fixing an occasional problem with your PC, but when it comes to resolving deeper problems on your Windows machine or on your Mac machine, that's where some software engineers gain that skills and being a good help desk specialist, whereas some software engineers do not bother with the gaining the low level skills on that, because these days most of the computers are set. You can buy a pretty good spec'd out computer from any store or from Amazon. Back in the day, I remember I would go into the stores, buy specific components, and build your own PC, but these days that's becoming less and less popular. So now when a family member comes and approaches you, they say, can you fix this computer for me? Or I got a virus, something's running slow. That's where a lot of your time can be wasted. I mean, not wasted per se, but you can spend a lot of time supporting your family members and fixing their computers, their wireless routers, or printer or whatnot. So what I decided in my family is to get Chromebooks for my family. My kids have Chromebooks. I don't have to support anything. For my wife, I originally also used Chromebook, and then eventually I got my wife a MacBook Air. And I'm also using MacBook Air at home for my personal software development work. And I have a Windows laptop that I need to use for occasional Windows things. So at the end of the day, my time is important to me. When I come from work, I want to be productive. So the way I save time for myself, I get Chromebooks for my family members, I get MacBooks for my family members and for myself. I'm not saying that Windows is not a good operating system. It has its place. I've been using Windows 7 for a long time. Windows 10 is a good operating system, and you can do a lot of things on it, but because the surface area is big, you can do a lot of things. The operating system allows you to. The chance of getting some malware or virus on it is higher than on some other operating system. For example, Chromebook is as closed operating system as it can be, but it doesn't mean that you still cannot get some type of a malware through your Chrome browser within the Chrome OS. But I'm basically reducing the chance of that happening by buying my family members Chromebooks, which have been reliable, consistent in speed, fast. I mean, the browsing experience on a simple Chromebook, is as good as browsing on a Chrome on a $2,500 Windows laptop or Mac OS laptops. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Send me comments if you have. Explain to me what you as the tech guy are doing in your family to save time for yourself so you can focus on other things, or are you actually doing this constant support for your family members? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep geeking out.